Curiostar online education platform. Created by YALONG Education. YALONG Education Curiosity Online Education Platform is an online education tool. Platform is divided into computer network version and mobile app version. The following describes the function and instructions of Curiostar computer network version. First, open the page. Enter in the address bar www.haoqixing.com. Then press Enter key. Web page shows the Curiostar interface. This is a trademark of a Curiostar. Web navigation bar includes app download, press releases, contact us, user portal, background login, login, and register. When the user clicks the download app in the navigation bar, it will display a two-dimensional code which indicates a Curiosity Phone app software, and it can be scanned with a mobile phone. The app is suitable for all kinds of smartphones, such as Apple mobile phones and Android system mobile phones. Click the press release to find out about the company's real-time information, which includes information and cooperation of Curiostar online platform and offline training news, etc. Click Contact Us to see the company's latest contact information to facilitate customer communication and consulting information. Click on the user portal. It will show login interface. Curiostar online platform is divided into ordinary users and administrator users. Among them, ordinary users are made up of self-registered users, school users of teachers and students, and employee users of enterprise are logged in the user portal or logged in the upper right corner. School administrators and business managers are logged in at the background entrance. The platform provides the school and the enterprise users account according to the demand. The school and the enterprise user cannot register by themselves. Click Register. The registration screen appears. Platform needs a phone number to register an account. Platform will automatically send verification code and enter the phone number. After confirming, set password, which means is registered successfully. After registering, the upper right corner of the page is a personal user center with personal homepage, favorite subscription, modify information, and logout. Click on the personal homepage, which contains 3 pieces of content: Learning Records, Learning Statistics, and My Video. Learning Records include the user recently watching videos and the other records. Learning Statistics refers to the user learning time, exams, and other information. My Videos includes videos uploaded by users and new courses, both required by the platform audit. Click Favorite and Subscribe, which includes the user's own subscriptions and favorites. Click Modify the data to modify or improve the account information and other content. Click Exit to exit the account directly. The teacher user in school enjoys an additional function than a student. They can view the student information. Other functions are the same. Student users in school enjoys a plus function than a normal user. Then it is employment function. Then can post jobs in the platform. Other functions are the same. Enterprise employee users and ordinary users have the same function. School administrator can edit school information, view video information, and teacher and students information. Enterprise administrator can edit corporate information, view employee information, and post jobs. Here we introduce how to find your own needs video in a Curious Star. Users can search the video keyword directly at the home page, or they can find relevant videos in the video category. Or they can watch the recommended video by the platform. Online education platform video is divided into free video and charged video. Free video can be watched directly. Charged video can be watched free for 4 minutes. If you want to watch the complete video, you need to log in to buy it. Users buy video via WeChat and Alipay. Each video course contains video content, I need test, and check the manual. I need test is the assessment after watching the video, which is to test the user's learning. Click Check Manual to view the video manual. For excellent users, they can be recommended at the home page. School teachers and enterprises are capable of recommending. Curious Star online education platform supports live functions. Users with live demand can click the live page on home page and click on the page to watch the live video. The introduction of Curious Star online platform for mobile version. After users download and install the software, open the app. App's mobile version is simpler than the PC version. Mobile version users cannot upload videos and courses, and they cannot enter the related video exams. They can watch videos, manuals, and buy video and other functions. When they open the app, the home page shows the scroll, popular video, popular courses, and popular teachers. Mobile search can click on the course bar of the interface or click the magnifying glass icon on the upper right corner and enter text to search. Click on the left avatar to log in, and you can view the user-related information. Click the message at upper right corner, and you can view the latest platform news and subscription information. Video viewing at mobile version is the same as the platform. The purchase is the same. The above is an introduction to the Curious Star.